Namaskar, this is me Neha Goyal from Neha Goyal Dream Reading, your tarot reader, numerologist, DNA astrologer and empowerment coach. The topic of this video is that if you have ever been told that you are under a spell of nazar dosh or या फिर आपको नज़र लग गई है किसी की, so where is that coming from astrologically and what we can do about it? Now, in astrology, we look at electricity through Mercury, which is Buddha Dev. In our brain also, there are regular electric currents which are being passed on from neuron to neuron. So just imagine if today I have to connect my hand, which is one neuron, let's say, to another hand, which is another neuron, how information passes through from my neuron to another neuron is through electricity. Now, for a lot of people who feel or who absorb this information कि उनको नज़र दोष लग रहा है, this electric current is kind of weak or is working against them. So let's say somebody who has strong Mercury, no matter what that person is being told कि उनको नज़र दोष है, उनको तांत्रिक ये हुआ है, whatever they are being told, that neuron is not activated. That information will just not register in their brain. And we are, human beings are such that we work on our brain training. So if we do not have a brain training for a particular thing, we will not invite that in our life. For those people who accept this information as their truth, which means that they are creating that neuropathway in their brain, and because they have now created that neuropathway in their brain, they attract or they become susceptible to what people around them are doing to them or what people around them are saying to them. So, for a lot of people who come to me for their DNA astrology reading and they have a Mercury dosh, which is a negative karmic registry with the planet Mercury in their chart, instead of the first thing being told that you are susceptible to nazar dosh, I tell them what to do to strengthen that Mercury, and which is basically working on that electric current which is being passed on from one neuropathway to another, so that generally they do not accept such information as their own reality. So let's say now that we have realized that, let's say that electric current or that Mercury element is working against us, what is it that we can do about it? What we can do about it is that we can make another neuropathway which is stronger, saying that we are always aligned with our highest and best. Now notice how I did not use the word protection, which is what a lot of spiritualists will say. I used the statement that we are aligned with our highest and best, because I do not want people who are connected with me to vibe with the energy of protection, because protection कब होता है? Protection तब होता है जब हमारे ऊपर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, जब हम वॉर जोन में होते हैं, तब हमारे को प्रोटेक्शन की ज़रूरत होती है. But let's say if I'm giving a suggestion to my brain that I am always aligned with my highest and best, तो protection की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. मेरे साथ तो हमेशा जो हो रहा है, whatever is happening is for my highest and best. So do you understand? Words are spells, so therefore we have to use words very, very carefully. And Mercury is also associated with communication. It is associated with the words that we are using in our day-to-day life, which are actually giving signals to our brain. Remember, always remember, whatever you are saying is creating an electric current in your neuropathway. Okay, so do you want an electric current to pass in your neuropathway of an element which does not serve you, in fact which makes you feel debilitated, which makes you feel unprotected and nazar dosh and all that shit that people tell you usually in the spiritual world? Or do you want to create a neuropathway which is self-serving, which is that I am aligned with my highest and best? This is one affirmation which I have seen working beautifully for people who have a negative Mercury karmic registry. So use that and regularly use that, and let me know what has your experience been in terms of what I have just shared with you. Write to me in the DM or in the links which will be shared in the description if you want to take that DNA astrology reading or the soul desire astrology reading. And yeah, there are several discounts available for all my consultations at this particular time. Do write to me and get your neuropathways sorted. This is me, your empowerment coach, tarot reader, numerologist, DNA astrologer, signing off for right now. Join me on my Instagram handle, which is Neha Goyal, NEHAAGOYAL. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you do not want to miss any information which is shared on this page. Namaskar, Radhe Radhe.